Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Happy Downloads font bundles. So if you've downloaded it from Etsy or our website, you should tap on it to download it, and that should hopefully go into your downloads folder. And then on the iPad you can just long press on that zip folder and then tap on uncompress. And then you can see that this has unzipped that folder. And now you need to install a free app from the App Store, and this is the one I like to use. It's called iFont. And now in iFont, you can go to imported fonts and then tap on this icon here to add a new font, and then just browse down to your downloads folder or wherever you have it saved, and then go to that folder, the uncompressed one. So this is the one that you've unzipped, and tap in it. And I usually just use OTF. If you don't know the difference between the two, if you don't have a preference, tap on OTF, and then you can select all or just pick the ones that you want and then tap on open. And you can see that that's added all of the fonts into this part here. Now I've already installed some of them, so let's just choose the one that I haven't already installed. So then just tap on the one that you want to install, and then tap on allow, and then tap on close, and then this will prompt you to go into settings. So tap to go into settings, and then tap on profile downloaded, and then it should pop up with a prompt to prompt you to install it. So then just tap on install all the way, and then tap on install, and then tap on done. And now I'm back in GoodNotes, and if you tap back into your text tool and you swipe through your fonts, you should find the font inside your list. And one final tip about the handwriting to text feature on the iPad, if you don't know how to use that, so you first need to go to settings, go to Apple Pencil, and go down to where it says scribble and make sure this is turned on. And then back in GoodNotes, you can tap on the text tool. You can choose the font that you want as your default, choose your font size and font color. So let me just make a change so you can see. And then you can either tap on this icon here and then tap on save as default, or you can tap on this text icon and tap on save as default. And then with the text tool selected, you can tap anywhere on the page, and then you can just handwrite. And that should automatically turn into text.